Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to send simple parts like this in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it, open SolidWorks, and here we use millimeter unit. So select in millimeter gram second for unit. Okay, we can see again for this drawing. Here is full part, and here top view, front view, and here right view or side view. Okay, we start draw from front view. So first right click on front plane, just click sketch, draw two circle, diameter in 7.5 and 15. Select circle and draw from this center. First circle diameter in 7.5 millimeter and second circle in 15 millimeter. Then we can draw line from here to here. So select line on your sketch, draw from here, here, and here. Now draw again line here to here. So just draw line here to here. Ensure for this line, click Ctrl on your keyboard and select this point or the center. Just click make coincident like this. It's easy for first step. The length in here is 57.5. So set the length in here in 57.5 millimeter. And for distance, this center to this line in 13.7. This center to this line in 13.7 millimeter. Like this. So for the width in here in 10 millimeter for this line in 10 millimeter. This and here have an angle in 30 degree. So this line set angle in 30 degree like this. And for this point to this point, you can see in here have distance in 9.6 millimeter. Okay, it's easy. And this point have gap in 3.8. This point in 3.8 millimeter like this. So don't forget to set for distance this center to this point in 30.3. This to this in 30.3 millimeter. Like this. Okay. It's easy. You must draw two circle and make a line like this. And don't forget to draw line in here in the middle in 5 millimeter distance. So draw from this to this, make a line again. Sure for distance here to here in 5 millimeter. After you make a sketch like this and input all dimension appropriate this drawing, we can to trim entities for this line, and this line. With sketch and click trim entities, we can select option in power trim, erase this line, and this line. Okay, and done. It's easy. So after that, we can to export to solid parts. We click feature and click extrude boss or base. For selected contour, first just select this sketch. Sorry, we can uncheck list on thin feature in here. Just click uncheck list. First, just select on this sketch. We can see in here for the length, total length in 28 28.8. Here is right view or side view. You can see the length, the width, this part in 28.8. So we can set direction in blind and set for depth or distance in here for width in 28.8 millimeter. Just click OK and click again on sketch 1. Now click extrude boss or base again. For selected contour first, just select on this sketch. Don't forget to uncheck list on thin feature in here. Can see in here in 5 millimeter for width, so set in here in 5 millimeter. Click OK. And now we can click again on sketch 1. Click extrude boss or base. For the contour, just select on this sketch and check this on thin feature. For the width in here in 3.8. So set in here in 3.8 millimeter. Click OK and done. And in here, like a cylinder, have width in 20. So this cylinder have this center on this. So a half of 3.8 in 1.9. So we can to click sketch 1 and click extrude boss or base again. For selected contour, ready? We can select on this and check this on thin feature. In here, select on this sketch. But form you can select in offset. You must select on offset and set in offset value in 1.9 because a half of 3.8 is 1.9 and direction change into mid plane to symmetry part like this, and total length in here in 20 millimeter or width in 20 millimeter. Set in 20 millimeter. Direction in mid plane and just click OK. Now we can check for distance here. This face to this face in 16.9. So we can select in evaluate and click measure. Click on this face to this face in here in normal distance in 16.9. It's correct. Okay, appropriate this drawing in 16.9. Okay. And then we can make part in here in the slope in here. So right click on this face, just click sketch. We can draw center line from this midpoint to this and draw center rectangle. Draw here to here. Ensure this point, click Ctrl and select this center line, just click make coincident. Set for the width in here 20, the length in 20, this side in, you can see in 16.5 5 millimeter like this. And don't forget, you can see in here the distance this edge to this edge in 19.4. So this line to, this line to this edge, sorry, we can repeat. Sorry, we can draw again center line, this, and make corner center rectangle. Ensure this and this, just click make coincident. And now we can to set for the length in here in 20 millimeter, and here for width in 17.5 like this, and set for distance this line to this edge here, you can set in 19.4 millimeter like this. Okay, it's easy. Ensure this point and click this center line, just click make coincident. After we make rectangular like this, we can to draw 4 hole in here. Make circle, draw circle in here. Click this circle and click Ctrl on your keyboard and select another circle. Click this, this, and this. Just click make equal because here have same diameter in 3.8. Okay, we can set diameter in 3.8 millimeter. Ensure this center. Click Ctrl on this center. Just click make vertical. Then this, click Ctrl, click this, just click make vertical. Sure, this point, click Ctrl and select this point, just click make horizontal. And this center, click Ctrl and select this center, just click make horizontal. Now we can to set for distance. Here this center to this edge in 5 millimeter. So this to this in 5 millimeter, and this center to this center in 10 millimeter. Yes. So this center to this center of hole distance 3.75. So this center line to this in have distance or gap in 3.75 millimeter. You can see in here. Then you can see this center to this center line have distance in 6.25 millimeter, like this. So ensure you input all dimension like this, appropriate this drawing. 3.75, and here you can check for diameter, it's correct. Okay. After we make sketch like this and input all dimension like this, just draw again here, have width in 2.5. We can to make line, draw from here to here, set for the center in here in 2.5 millimeter, and we can to mirror entities for this line. Mirror about, just select on this center line, click OK, like this. Then we can to export to solid part. We just click feature and click extrude boss or base. For selected contour, just select on this sketch, select on this sketch, this, and for direction, change in blind. Then for thickness in here in 3.8. So set in here in 3.8 millimeter. Just click OK, and click again on sketch 2. Click extrude boss or base. Now you must select on this sketch and this sketch. Have width in 2.5 for, and have distance this face to face in 7.5. Direction in blind and input in here in 7.5 millimeter for dip. Click OK, like this, and done. It's easy. So after that we can to apply for fillet in here. radius in 1.2 and fillet in here in 1.2. So select fillet. In here you can input radius in 1.2 millimeter. Select on this corner edge, this corner edge, this corner edge, and this edge. Click OK and click again fillet. Here different radius in 2.5 millimeter for radius. Just select on this edge. Sorry, clear selection. Just select on this edge in 2.5 radius. Just click OK and done. Don't forget to make a two hole, but in here have like a cut. So right click on this face, just click sketch, draw corner rectangle again. This set for distance. This is this edge in 5.7, and here have width in 6.3 millimeter. Here to here in this line to this edge in 2.5. Okay. Just click feature and click extrude cut. For direction change in through all, click OK. Right click on this face, just click sketch, draw center line, draw from this midpoint to this, draw to circle in here from the center line. Ensure this circle, click Ctrl and select this circle. Just click make equal because here have same diameter in 1.9 millimeter. Set for diameter in 1.9 millimeter. Automatically in here in 1.9. Set for distance, this edge to this circle, center of circle in 15. And this circle to this circle have distance in 27.5. Click OK. Click feature to make hole like before. Click extrude cut. Direction in through all, just click OK. We can do change for color. Select all feature, click this icon, maybe in green. Click OK. Click again on this icon. Color for face in white. This face, this face, this face, this face, this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole, like this part. Okay, just click OK and done. Okay, I think that's enough. How to design simple part. It's perfect for exercise, for beginners, intermediate. Thank you for watching alien video. I apologize if there any mistake or any error. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.